Hi everybody, hello again. My name is John with Stout Tanks and Kettles. Today we have a nice big box that our warehouse has packed up for us. Let's open it up and find out what we have. An end cap reducer, a bowl reducer, a concentric reducer, and an eccentric reducer. What do these all have in common? They're all reducers, and they all have the same function, but just slightly different applications. We'll start with this one. This is an end cap reducer, and you can see we have like a large 3-inch on this side, 1.5 inch on that side. This is useful perhaps on the top of a tank where there's no liquid. Could be useful in a drain situation if you're not too worried about liquid accumulating in this area. Here we have a bowl reducer. This is really nice because it has a drainable surface inside. If it's down low, you'll get complete drainage, and it's shorter. You can go from a very large diameter to a small diameter in a short distance. You can compare the difference there. Here we have an eccentric and a concentric reducer. They're very similar, except this goes evenly if you compare the angles, and this does not. So this is useful at the bottom of a tank. You're going to have drain, you'll have a flow, flat surface there. This might be more useful in a down situation. If you have it horizontal, you will accumulate liquid in there, and that can be a problem. Thanks again. We'll see you next week.